The status of India's nuclear program. Why is the core loading event of the prototype fast breeder reactor being held as a milestone? What does the reactor do? Why has the event taken so long to materialize? What led to the delays? What are small modular reactors? The story so far. On March 4, Prime Minister Narendra Modi witnessed the start of the process of core loading the indigenous prototype fast breeder reactor PFVR at the Madras Atomic Power Station in Kalpakkam, Tamil Nadu. A statement from his office called the occasion a historic milestone in India's nuclear power program. What is the PFVR? The PFVR is a machine that produces more nuclear fuel than it consumes. Its core loading event is being held as a milestone because operationalization of the PFVR will mark the start of stage 2 of India's free three-stage nuclear power program. In the first, India used pressurized heavy water reactors PHWRs and natural uranium 238 U238, which contains minuscule amount of uranium 235 as the fissile material. In nuclear fission, the nucleus of an atom absorbs a neutron, destabilizes and breaks into two while releasing some energy. If the destabilized nucleus releases more neutrons, the reactor's facilities will attempt to use them to investigate more fission reactions. The heavy water in PHWR water molecules contains the deuterium isotope of hydrogen, slows neutrons released by one fission reaction enough to be captured by other uranium 238 and uranium 235 nuclei and cause new fission. The heavy water is pressurized to keep it from boiling. The reactions produces plutonium 239, Pu-239 and energy. Only uranium 235, not uranium 238, can sustain a chain reaction, but it is consumed fully in stage 1. In stage 2, India will use plutonium 239 together with uranium 238 in the PFBR to produce energy. Uranium 233 and more plutonium 239. The Department of Atomic Energy DAE set up a special purpose vehicle in 2003 called Bharatiya Navikiya Vidyut Nigam Limited Bhavini to implement stage 2. In stage 3, plutonium 239 will be combined with thorium. In stage 3, plutonium 239 will be combined with thorium 232 in reactors to produce energy and uranium 233. Homi Jahangir Bhabha designed the three-stage program because India hosts roughly a quarter of world's thorium. The three stages are expected to make the country completely self-sufficient in nuclear energy. Why was the PFBR delayed? The PFBR saga in India has been associated with numerous delays, cost overruns and broken promises, and has occurred many critics. The fast breeder test reactor FBTR at Kalpakkam is a testing ground for PFBR technologies. It was built by 1977 but sanctioned against India's Small Buddha nuclear test forced the use of the mixed carbide fuel over enriched uranium which France was to deliver. The former lowered and the power output and changed operating conditions. By the time the Indian government greenlit the PFBR in 2003, most people who worked on the FBTR were also nearing or had completed retirement. The Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research IGCAR Kalpakkam designed the PFVR. Its original cost was rupees 3,492 crore and the original deadline 2010. 6 years later, the DAE sought more funds and an extended deadline which the government granted in 2012 rupees 5,677 crore and commercial operations by March 2015. The nuclear power establishment further pushed the deadline to the next year, then the year after that, and so on until by March 2020. The new deadline to commercialize was October 2022. Even by the 2019, its cost had ballooned to the 6,800 crore rupees. In a 2014 audit, the Comptroller and Auditor General found Bhavini had fumbled the procurement of some PFVR component by becoming inordinately dependent on the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. The result, the placement of a 100 purchase order had a median delay of 158 days per order. Other causes of delay included technical difficulties with the reactor coolant. How does the PFVR work? PHWR use natural or low enriched uranium 238 as the fissile material and produce plutonium 239 as a byproduct. This plutonium 239 is combined with more uranium 238 into a mixed oxide and loaded into the core of the new reactor together with a breeder blanket. This is a material. The fission product in a core react with a produce more plutonium 239. A breeder reactor is a nuclear reactor that produces more fissile material than it consumes. In a fast breeder reactor, the neutrons are not slowed, allowing them to trigger specific fission reactions. The PFVR is designed to produce more plutonium 239 than it consumes. It used liquid sodium, a highly reactive substance, as coolant in two circuits. Coolant in the first circuit enters the reactor and leaves with heat, energy and radioactivity via heat exchangers. It transfers only the heat to the coolant in a secondary circuit. The latter transfers the heat to generators to produce electricity. In 2020 paper, former IGCAR scientist R.D. Kale wrote about several issues with getting this system to the works as expected. For examples, according to him, personnel working with the PFVR had expected two reactors vessel could be preheated to 150 degrees Celsius in about a month based on theoretical calculation and tests with a mock-up. But the process took more than a year in reality. What role can SMRs play? The delays brooked under potential compilation in the form of small modulator reactors, SMRs. These reactor designs have a maximum capacity of 300 megawatt, require less light and accommodate more safety features. Several countries are developing SMRs to complement conventional facilities, since SMRs can install at reduced cost and time by repurposing infrastructure in power brownfield sites. R. Srikanth, a professor at the National Institute of Advanced Studies, Bengaluru, told The Hindu. He added SMRs can work with low enriched uranium, which India can import from the US via IT 123 agreement. According to him, increasing SMR's contribution would require, among other things, amendment to the Atomic Energy Act 1962 and other related statutes to allow private sector participation under the oversight of the Atomic Energy Regulatory Body AERB, with both nuclear fuel and waste controlled by the DAE according to international safeguards. What is the value of stage 2? The PFBR has a capacity of 500 megawatt. In 2019, the DAE proposed a building for more fast breeder reactors, FVRs of 600 megawatt capacity, each two in Kalpakkam from 2021 and two from 2025, with sites to be selected. Experts have said that the best way to move work on stage 2 technologies is the press and reactors into commercial service. The delays have not helped. However, in 2003, renewable source of energy were a blip on the horizon. Today, the tariff for solar electricity is under rupees 2.5 per kilowatt, whereas nuclear electricity cost around rupees 4 kilowatt. The 2011 Fukushima Daiichi disaster also shifted public opinion worldwide against nuclear power, slowing work on new facilities. Today, nuclear power has a new lease of life thanks to the pressure on India to decarbonize, reduce its import on fossil fuels, and give its renewable sector some breathing space. NPCIL chairman BC Pathak told the Hindu the corporation plans to commission a nuclear power reactor every year from 2024. What are the challenges of stage 2? On the flip side, bigger challenges await. FBRs are harder to handle than other reactors design, whereas the DAE has acquired an unfavorable public reputations over its often heavy-handed response to safety concerns. Further, the civilian nuclear programs nodal regulatory body, the AERV, was set up by executive order and reporters ultimately to the DAE secretary. In 2015, the International Atomic Energy Agency urged India to set up an independent statutory atomic regulator instead. The DAE had responded to similar concerns with the Nuclear Safety Regulatory Authority NSRA bill in 2011. It sought to replace the AERB with the NSRA, but it was criticized for allowing the union government too much control over the NSRA composition. Finally, among other products, the thorium fuel cycle produces cesium-137, actinium-227, radium-224, radium-228, and thorium-230, all isotopes radioactive in ways that complicate their handling and storage. The gist. On March 4, Prime Minister Narendra Modi witnessed the start of the process of core loading the indigenous prototype fast breeder reactor PFVR at the Madras Atomic Power Station in Kalpakkam, Tamil Nadu. The PFVR is a machine that produces more nuclear fuel than it consumes. Its core loading event is being held as a milestone because operationalization of PFVR will mark the start of stage 2 of India's three-stage nuclear power program. The PFBR saga in India has been associated with numerous delays, cost overruns, and broken promises, and has accrued many critics. The status of India's nuclear program.